Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to find trending hashtags on TikTok. So without further ado, let's get started. First, open your TikTok app. You see right here my TikTok account, so what you're going to do is go to your home and then click on the search bar. Just search for trending hashtags. And then you can see right here the videos that have trending hashtags. You can scroll down through the videos and observe what hashtag they commonly use. Or you can select hashtag right there and then you see the hashtags that are trending. You can choose any of them. That's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.